As educators, we know that we have to do a lot of things, but one of the most central is to prepare students to launch their careers. And it's really from that position of strength, and this building enables that. Providing our students with this type of world-class environment, it really is where students are going to learn more, better, and be able to conduct research with the incredible faculty that we have here. So here's the moment we've been waiting for. Since the ground is frozen and because it's bitterly cold, Scott Chrisman, who's a proud UWM alum, he's going to give us a little bit of help with the excavator. All right, so everyone, please join me in a countdown and lift your glasses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. There we go.